Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm looking at the OVENTE Cordless Immersion Hand Blender HR781B, a portable rechargeable stick blender that touts convenience, versatility, and modern design. Let's see how it stacks up in real-world use. Starting with the basics, this model features a 200-watt motor, 8 selectable speed settings, a USB-C rechargeable cordless design, one touch control, stainless steel blades, and a detachable shaft for cleaning. According to the manufacturer, it's intended to solve common pain points, such as dealing with awkward power cords in the kitchen, limited access to outlets, blending in different rooms, or even off-site, and the need for space-saving storage. The ergonomic handle and modern minimalist aesthetic aim to make it as much a pleasure to handle as it is to look at. In my testing, I began by charging the unit fully. The indicator light turns blue when charging is complete, which gives a nice clear signal. I then used the blender in several scenarios, blending a frozen fruit smoothie, making a chunky salsa, pureeing a pot of soup, and also whisking together a quick milkshake. The cordless design came into its own when I moved between the countertop, a larger soup pot on the stove, and a smaller mixing beaker. No cords getting in the way, no need to stay adjacent to an outlet. Using the lower speed settings felt smooth for thinner liquids like shakes or soups, and the higher speeds handled frozen fruit reasonably well, though not with the same aggressive power as a full-size countertop blender. Cleaning the detachable stainless steel shaft was straightforward. It pops off and can be rinsed under the tap, though you'll still want to be mindful of the motor housing not getting immersed. Storage is aided by the included BPA-free case that doubles as a measuring blending cup, which I found handy in a small kitchen. On the flip side, in trying to process a heavy volume of thick ingredients, e.g. large handfuls of frozen berries plus ice, the motor began to feel slightly strained, and I noticed some lag compared to my more powerful corded devices. The one-touch control and auto-lock safety feature, locking if the on-off button is held for more than roughly 4 seconds, are smart additions though. I found the auto-lock kicked in occasionally when I paused mid-task, requiring a second press to restart. Overall, the experience is positive for everyday blending tasks, though for heavy-duty or large batch jobs, it's slightly less capable. There are quite a few aspects I liked. The freedom of cordless blending, the clean design, the versatility across smoothies, soups, salsas, and the thoughtful storage solution. On the flip side, it's not the most powerful blender for very heavy use. The auto-lock behavior may introduce a small nuisance during mid-task pauses, and being rechargeable means you'll want to keep it topped up if you rely on it frequently. Some of those limitations are inherently subjective. For example, whether the power is enough depends on your use case, while others, like the auto-lock behavior, are more objective. For many home cooks, this unit offers a solid balance. For users who regularly blitz very thick or frozen mixes at high volume, it may fall a little short. In terms of value for money, assuming the price is competitive, on listings I saw around 35 to 45 pounds depending on region, you're getting a modern cordless design with 8 speeds, storage case, USB-C charging, and a well-known kitchen brand. If compared with traditional corded hand blenders in the 30 to 50 pounds range, this model adds the cordless convenience and storage accessories. On the other hand, if you compare with high-end hand blenders from premium brands, which may offer more power, 300 to 400 watts or more accessory attachments, and higher durability, you may pay significantly more. So the question is, does your kitchen use case demand cordless convenience and the modest power of this unit, or would you prefer more brute strength at a higher cost? For what this offers, I believe the HR781B gives sensible value, especially for everyday blending in a smaller kitchen. A quick comparison. For example, a premium corded hand blender offering 300 to 400 watts and multiple attachments might cost up to 60 to 80 pounds. Some budget corded models offer 150 to 180 watts for 20 to 30 pounds, but with cords and fewer features. In that context, the OVENTE sits in a smart middle ground. You give up some raw power, but gain on convenience and flexibility. If you find a cordless model at the same price with significantly higher wattage and more accessories, that might edge it out. But in my checking, this model holds its own in that space. on build quality and anticipated longevity. The use of stainless steel blades and detachable shaft is good practice and suggests reasonable durability for the parts that see wear. The motor housing appears made of standard ABS-type plastic, typical of many kitchen appliances. As with many rechargeable units, there is some question of battery longevity over years. Rechargeable cordless appliances may see reduced battery life over time compared with cord-only devices. The brand behind it, OVENTE, is known in the small appliance space and provides a 1-year warranty, which is reassuring. So for moderate use, I'd expect this blender to perform well for several years, though heavy or daily commercial-style use may push its limits earlier. As for customer support, the manufacturer states a 1-year warranty and US-based customer service for material and workmanship defects. I did not personally call support during my testing, but I found the stated policies clear and the brand has been active in online retail markets with visible after-sales presence. That gives a decent baseline of confidence for typical consumer purchase conditions. Overall then, this OVENTE Cordless Immersion blender delivers on its promise of cordless convenience combined with sufficient blending power for everyday kitchen tasks. It's particularly well-suited for households looking to make smoothies, soups, or shakes without being tethered to outlets, and those who appreciate a clean, compact design with useful storage features. Where it doesn't quite match is when you push into very thick, heavy blending workloads or very large batch sizes. There are stronger models for that. If you value portability and flexibility over maximum power, this is a strong choice. If your blending demands are tougher, you might consider stepping up to a higher wattage unit, even if corded. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around. The product link is in the comments box below. If you already own this blender or have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help. Goodbye. Until next time from Reviewsinside TV, keep your kitchen gadgets sharp and your reviews sharper.